Hi, I'm Manoj, proprietor for Fully Signed Advertising Requisites Trading LLC company. Very good afternoon. And we are just almost in the market for 12 years with a working experience, and we started our own company. Now it's 3 years going to complete. We are having two licenses. One is corporate gift supplies, and the another main line is digital printing material supply. We are an 100% solution makers in this both industries. One is digital printing material. We can supply lamination, vinyl outdoor sticker, one-way vision frosted, floor lamination, and forex foam board, corrugated acrylic, and so many things which is connected to digital printing, roll-up stands, roll-up media, and so many. The second line, what we are having is an amazing line, which is gift. Always a gift is special. When we want to celebrate any important things in corporates, or if you want to motivate persons, or if you want to just give a gift to your families or personalized or anything, gift is the most important part of our life. So gifting makes happiness, and gifts give happiness to the person who receive it, and it would motivate the peoples for do a strong level of motivation. It will makes peoples to uh, bring more business, and you can just approach your clients by gifting, so that like your business will generate to the next level. You can gift your customers so that the walk-ins will increase. A lot of things will be connected to gifting, so gift is more important. And so we are into the same industry, corporate gift supplies. So this is my details. We are supplying all type of personalized gifts, hotel related accessories supplies, display stands. We do t-shirts and with embroidery, caps printings, roll up stands with all more than 20 above types, umbrellas printing, plastic bag printing. We are very specialized in sports bottle supply, which is our very professional business in Dubai. So we are almost supplying for more than 80 above gyms, and we supply shaker bottles, we supply BPA bottles, we supply um, all type of water bottles, the normal water bottles for the kids. We supply for the schools bottles, and so many things we do. And the bottle is having more than 200 types of models, and we have done more than 3 years of R&D in this, and we are very specialized. We can able to bring any type of bottles required for you, and if you have any models, we can bring that models from factories to you. And if you have a good MOQ, minimum order quantity, so I can show you some models of water bottles right now. So each and every bottle is a unique type. So you can see a sample of models here. So each and every customer is having their own models requirements. So we will bring their requirements type with a minimum MOQ, and I can able to show you so many models in stainless steel, and very fancy models, very handy models. People who are Arabics like some models, so we can able to bring it. So for the shops, and for giveaways with a box, we can able to give you a lot of bottles directly from the factory if you have a minimum MOQ, or if you want a small quantity also, yes, we can able to support you. We do have a bamboo bottles, and we do have a high quality water bottles. And when it comes to gym, we do have a lot of models which is shakers, and which is used for supplementary products. They want to use their supplements, they want to mix it, so we do have a string inside each and every bottle. You can see that, and it will be having the measurements there, so that you can easily measure your supplements, and you can use it, and it's easily dilute, and you can use it. So presently, the good news, we do have a new stock arrived right now this month. So I would like to just show you the new stock which has been came today. So you can see each and every models. We have 500 ml type, the smaller type. It's a very new model of 2020. This with having a string inside it. It comes very beautiful model, and we do have the same bottles. Some people want to drink more water, so we brings the same type of model in 700 ml also. So we do have the measurements, and inside you can see the complete string and everything in plastic. And we do have a 500 ml, a standard model. This is the fastest moving. People used to brand their own names and they want to supply. So we never do any branding in this because we are a trader. So we just bring this one and supply to traders, even for the gyms directly. So if they want to do a branding into it, yes, we will do a branding in the product, and it comes in so many colors. We have 4 colors available, and in this model we do have 6 colors available: black, red, rose, blue, yellow, and we do have another white. 6-7 models are there, and any quantities, minimum order quantity, we can able to bring it with an amazing price, wholesale price, directly from the factories and supply to you here. So we are almost doing it for the past 2 years, and I just want to show you the stock, and please support our company, and is one of the fastest growing company in Dubai. So the company name is Fully Sign Advertising Requisite Trading LLC, and you can see our address, which is 354 Hadik Mohammed bin Rashid Road, Al Faris Mall, near Dubai Bowling Center, Al Quds 1. It's very near to travel from Business Bay, Al Quds, and as well as any part of the area. It's very easy to connect. And apart from this, if you want any type of corporate gifts like notebooks or like safety vest coveralls, or like pens with printing, mugs with printing, USB, pen drive, memory cards, or like if you want any type of dolls or caps with printing, or paper bags with printing, or t-shirts with printing. So we are very versatile company. And if you want for the children's, we do have beautiful plates with even with the spoons. And we are into a very good corporate gifts, branded corporate gifts. We can able to supply beautiful Balmain's brand, and so many brands we can able to provide you beautiful gifts and all. And we are having yoga mats. We have some beautiful gifts here for presentation. We can able to bring any type of gifts, more than 3,000 above gifts we can able to bring it from the factories. And please, we need your supports. And if you want any requirements, please contact directly our company. And I'll show you the outside of the company. So it looks like this. We do printing in mugs. We supply mugs and we do print in mugs. We are very specialized in acrylic customizations. We do safety shoes. We do all type of coveralls. We print in clocks. We print in USBs and so many things here. We print in a lot of models of notebooks. And please feel free to contact us in 00971 5090 59310. It's my WhatsApp number. And you can contact in fullysign@gmail.com, FULLYSIGN@gmail.com. We have a lot of offers going on. So if you buy one sports water bottle, and we can give you another bottle free, something like that. We are going offer for 25 dirhams. So you can avail that, because in supermarkets these bottles are 40 dirhams, 45 dirhams one bottle, but we are selling 25 dirhams. If you buy one bottle is free. Offer is going on right now for this month. So please avail this opportunity and contact us anytime. And thanks for contacting.